What is your name?
My name is Khushi Adam.
Yes, Kusi. Now, Kusi, you have to tell me all the sentences all the tenses in a sequence with their examples. Start now.
Simple present. I eat, I do not eat. Do I eat? मैं खाता हूँ, मैं नहीं खाता हूँ, क्या मैं खाता हूँ? Present, present continuous tense. I am eating, I am not eating, am I eating? मैं खा रहा हूँ, मैं नहीं खा रहा हूँ, क्या मैं खा रहा हूँ? Present, present perfect tense. I have eaten, I have not eaten, have I eaten? मैं खा चुका हूँ, मैं नहीं खा चुका हूँ, क्या मैं खा चुका हूँ? Present continuous, present perfect continuous tense. I have been eating. मैं खाता रहा हूँ. I have been not eating. I have been not eating.
I have not been.
I have not been eating. मैं नहीं खाता रहा हूँ. Have I been eating? क्या मैं खाता रहा हूँ?
Go for past tense.
Simple past. I eat. I ate. I did not eat.
I did not eat.
Eat. Do I eat? Did I eat? मैंने खाया, मैंने नहीं खाया, क्या मैंने खाया? Past continuous tense. I was eating, I was not eating, was I eating? मैं खा रही थी, मैं नहीं खा रही थी, क्या मैं खा रही थी? Past perfect tense. I had eaten. I had eaten. मैं खा चुकी थी. I had not eaten. मैं नहीं खा चुकी थी. Had I eaten? क्या मैं खा चुकी थी? Past perfect continuous tense. I had been eating. मैं खाती रही थी. I had not been eating. मैं नहीं खाती रही थी. Had I been eating? क्या मैं खाती रही थी?
Alright, go for future tense.
I shall go. I shall not go. Shall I go? मैं जाऊँगी, मैं नहीं जाऊँगी, क्या मैं जाऊँगी? Simple present. Future continuous tense. I shall be playing. I shall be not playing. Shall I be playing? मैं खेलती रहूँगी, मैं नहीं खेलती रहूँगी, क्या मैं खेलती रहूँगी? Future perfect tense.
Future perfect continuous tense.
Sir, future perfect tense.
Future perfect is okay.
I shall have eaten. मैंने खा लिया था. No. मैंने खा लिया हो. मैंने खा लिया होगा. I shall not. I shall not have eaten. मैंने नहीं खा लिया होगा.
Very good.
Shall I have eaten? क्या मैंने खा लिया होगा? Future perfect continuous tense. I shall have been eating. I shall have been eating. मैं खाती रहूँगी. I shall have been not eating. मैं नहीं खाती रहूँगी. Shall I have been eating? क्या मैं खाती रहूँगी?
Alright, Kushi, so you have completed all the tenses. Now I am going to ask you some of the WH questions. You have to answer me. Right? When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
What can you play?
I play hockey. I can play hockey.
What should you eat?
I should eat food.
You should eat
food.
When should you play?
I play at evening.
When should you play?
When should you play? I should play in the evening.
Very good. Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
How many brothers and sisters you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
Who takes care of your family?
My mother takes care of my family.
Who cooks food for you?
My mother cooks food for me.
How many pens you have?
I have 2 pens.
Where are you going?
I am going to prepare my Aadhaar card.
You are going to prepare your Aadhaar card. What are you doing now?
I am speaking.
You are speaking. Alright. Now, do you know what is part of speech? How many parts of speech are there?
There are 8 parts of speech.
Name all the part of speeches.
Noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
All the 8 are completed.
Yes, sir.
Count it again.
Noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, preposition, interjection, conjunction.
Conjunctions, all right. So what is the definition of noun?
Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing.
Give me some examples of noun.
Sita, Mohan, book, pencil, Delhi.
All right.
Delhi.
What is adjective?
An adjective modify a noun or a pronoun.
An adjective modifying noun or pronoun. Give me some examples of adjective.
Ram is bad girl. Ram is bad boy.
What is adjective in this?
Bad is adjective in this.
And beautiful is an adjective.
Yes, sir.
Intelligent, fat, thin. So you have to tell me like this. There's a fat, thin, long,
Black,
tall.
white, long, thin, intelligent, beautiful, bad, good.
Very nice, very nice. And what is adverb?
An adverb is word which modify an action verb, an adjective, and another verb.
Another adverb.
Another
So
adverb.
adverb is a word which modify verb, adjective and adverb
Adverb.
itself. So give me some example of adverb.
She is very nice.
She is very nice. What is the adverb in it?
Very.
Very. So very modifies which word? In this sentence, very is an adverb. Obviously, it will modify one of the word. So which word is modified by very?
Sir,
What is the sentence? She
is very nice.
She is very
Nice.
So very is the adverb in this sentence, right? So very is a adverb. It means adverb is modifying either a verb or adjective or adverb. So which verb this very is modifying? Very is modifying the word nice, right?
Yes, sir.
Very is modifying the word
Nice.
What is preposition?
A preposition is a word used to link a noun or a pronoun with other words in the sentences.
Give me some example of preposition.
The cat is under the table. My pen is on the table.
What are the preposition in these two sentences?
Under and on.
Under and on are the prepositions.
Preposition.
Alright. Now, where is your father?
My father is going to market.
Your father is going to market. Now give me the, I am going to ask you some of the translation in Hindi and you have to translate them into English.
English.
तुम्हें अवश्य पढ़ना चाहिए.
You must read.
You must
Read.
read. Very good. The second one, मैं खेला करती थी.
I used to play.
बारिश होने वाली है.
It is about to rain.
मेरी मम्मी गांव जाने वाली है.
My mom is about to go to village.
Very good. My mother is about to go to village. तुम्हें पढ़ना चाहिए.
तुम्हें पढ़ना चाहिए. You should read.
And should you play in the afternoon?
Yes, I should play in the afternoon.
You should play in the afternoon.
No, I should not play in the afternoon.
In this summer season, either we should
No.
take rest or we should study in the afternoon. When do you get up in the morning?
I get up in the morning at 4 o'clock.
When do you go to your school?
I go to school at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. All right, Kusi, go and take your seat.
Thank you, sir.